Hello, my name is Janaprasad Kalidasa. My matrix number is 01DDT21F1119. Today I am going to present about Pbt switching exceptional, and I am going to explain how I did the configuration in my topology. First task. You have a network administrator in PUO. You have been assigned to set up the inter-VLAN and inter-channel network on PUO. The network has been installed. All the server and routing protocol have been configured for you. Use KEU for privilege and use expert mode password. Finally, you will demonstrate verify your configuration and test connectivity between the device. Requirement: as a network administration, you need to configure the basic configuration and IP address for each device based on the topology and table 1. For the first requirement, you have to see at the table 1. These are the IP address that given by the system. For example, PC VLAN 3 VLAN. Okay, first I go to PC1. Okay, for example, I select PC2. I go to the IP configuration. For PC2, we can see it's VLAN 5. The VLAN 5 IP address is 10.5.10.10.5. The last number is we have to take it from the table 132, and then we will the prefix index is 25. So we set the subnet mask correctly. Another example is we can take an example is VLAN 21 PC15 IP configuration. For PC15 is VLAN 21. VLAN 21 is 10.0.21, and the last number is we will take this from here 15. For the VLAN 20 prefix lines is 24. For 24, we will use the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Just like this, we will configure all the IP address for each device based on the topology and table 1. After that, perform VLAN and inter-VLAN based on the table 2. Set track mode to the approach port and allow only the least VLAN to the network. Configure all switches in PUO with domain name www.pu.edu.my. Now we have to perform VLAN and inter-VLAN that given by the table 2. Okay, for this I will show you the view command log. Today I will show you the command I used to perform VLAN and inter-VLAN based on the table to set a modal trunk. For example, take the JKE. For JKE, the command I use for the modal trunk is switch port trunk, switch port alert VLAN 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch port alert trunk VLAN 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch trunk naive VLAN 7. For JKE, JTMK, JKA, I follow the same command for each of the JKE, JTMK, JKA. Because they all got the same switch port trunk native VLAN 7. For IT, For IT, I use switch port trunk, switch port alert VLAN 10, 11, 12, switch port trunk native 12. For HQ1, HQ2, HQ4, I use trunk port switch port trunk alert VLAN 21, 22, 23, 24, switch port trunk native VLAN 25. Okay. After that, we also perform enter channel on the based on the table 3. All trunking mode must be configured through this internal channel. Internal channel is they are based on their interface channel mode. For example, we go to the JKE device. The command I use for the channel is int range. First, I have to set the interface range F0, F21, 022. Then channel group 1 mode on. Interface port channel 1. Then we configure with the interface port panel 1. These are the same to the JTMK also. For JTMK, we use the same, but we have to make sure the interface is the same. For example, int range 03 to 24, group channel 1 mode group channel 2 mode passive, switch port mode trunk. For the COP, JP, main P, all are the same, but make sure we get the channel and the mode are similar to the interfaces and the device. After that, perform testing and ensure all the connectivity access in EPO on the PVO domain show the verification. For me, the complication is total 74, so I didn't get the full completion, but I will show the these are the things this is how I configure the device in topology Pbt switching access channel. Thank you.